So you hit the big challenge on the head by saying that, with crypto and specifically with, what Celo and Valora has built, it's like you can send money around the world very easily, but depending on where you send it, right? Like, is it readily available? And, especially for the everyday person. And that's still a big challenge, that all of us in the crypto industry face. And so this is where this initiative really came to light. And so it's been great to partner with the Celo Foundation on this because they're really putting resources right behind like this very important problem is like, how do you build an on and off ramp in every market in the world? And I think that like, for us at Valora, we partner with, some of the big kind of on and off ramps today. Like Ramp, for example, like has on and off ramps in many different countries around the world and has great coverage. But when you really think about some of these, smaller emerging markets, they don't have coverage there. And so for a lot of these users that actually need crypto to be able to kind of run their day-to-day lives, it's like, you need to service those markets too. So really about the Connect to the World campaign, essentially it's an incentive program that the Celo Foundation is putting forward that's incentivizing these on and off ramp companies to light up these different ways to convert fiat to crypto in every market in the world. And so, there's a sum of cash that they get, but also fee waivers to kind of help, bootstrap and drive adoption in those markets. Where Valora comes in, the challenge that we've seen kind of with working with a lot of these types of providers is that you actually have to build a bespoke integration with every provider that you have to work with, right? It's a lot of work for a smaller company like us, but it doesn't give like the broad coverage and to be able to have to be able to like have these big providers work with every wallet or crypto solution. And so you can imagine something like Wallet Connect, right? This is why this was built, right? Like, you as a user have a choice to use whatever wallet you want, but you want to link into a DApp. If you didn't have something like Wallet Connect, it'd be kind of a mess, right? But so what Fiat Connect is doing is essentially being the Wallet Connect for on and off ramps. It's kind of like one thing that you plug into, and whether you're a provider or wallet, so it's like simplifying that experience, but it's also providing a native or simplified experience within the UX for the user as well, because that could also get confusing. So there's challenges, in terms that this program is intended to solve. And like I said, it all comes down to simplification, and whether that's like the UX and whether that's like kind of building these solutions or whether that's like getting more coverage in emerging markets. That's what this program is aimed to do. I would say that like, Q1 was actually, or this year was actually a big, quarter for us, because it was the first set of live markets that we've actually launched in conjunction with this program. And so we have cash in, cash out solutions for, let me just get the list here. So Ghana, India, Kenya, Mali, Nigeria, Philippines, Uganda, Burkina Faso, Rwanda, Senegal, and Togo. And so just even from that, sample list of countries, I mean, you can see that these are, very much emerging market countries, right? That can have a use for these types of on and off ramps. And so excited to see that, and also the participation of some of our Fiat Connect partners, like Bitmama, which is a Nigerian on and off ramp company, or Alpha Fortress, who also has built many of these on and off ramps in many of these emerging markets. And so it's exciting to kind of see that type of adoption and that traction. And couldn't have done it without the partnership of not only Celo, but also some of these other companies in the ecosystem.
Thanks for watching this clip from Emerging Voices. If you enjoyed our content, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends. And to stay up to date with what's happening in Web3 from emerging markets, we produce a 5-minute, once-a-week newsletter recapping the week's Web3 news from Africa, Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe to help you stay informed and stay smart. Link to get access is in the description. And before you go, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and see you soon.
Thank you.